I think many people who experience dysfunction, whether that's stemming from a prostate issue, like prostate cancer, a prostatectomy, or that is just a function of their psychology or their physiology, there's a lot of focus on, well, I need an for without the recognition that a like proper rehabilitation process is like involves having a not necessarily related to, and the rehabilitation process that you're describing involves multiple, sometimes tens of in a day, that are not geared at all toward. It sounds like too much of the focus that men place on is that I need it when I need it, but not really thinking about the bigger picture of how a have historically worked, like for that person, and how they should continue to work.
That is exactly right, Mark. Great starts before you get in the bed. Say, for example, football players. I don't care how well they know how to play the game. They have to practice during the week before the game. So just because a man remember what he used to do, that does not mean his body remember. And we men hate to fail. It's embarrassing. We'll get to the point we won't even try.